Brain lesson number 53. Please tell your children, share this with your children and grandchildren. Are you an eagle or a chicken? Please share the story with them. It's a fabulous story, and I used to share it with my staff a lot as well. There was a mountain where there was an eagle who laid an egg, the mother eagle, and this egg rolled down the mountain onto the farm. And this was a chicken farm at the bottom. So the egg rolled down, and eventually the eagle egg hatched. It was an eagle egg, but the eagle thought it was a chicken because it grew up with a chicken. And one of the chickens adopted this eagle and said, "You are my baby." So as this little eagle is growing up, it assumed that it was a chicken all its life. It was just pecking the ground and eating the seeds. And whenever the mother eagle would then fly to look for food, then all the chickens in the farmyard would all put their head down because they were scared that the eagle is going to eat them. And one day this magnificent eagle was flying over, and all the chickens, the mother chicken was telling this baby, "Put your head down in the grass, hide, the eagle is coming." And this little baby eagle, it did not know it was an eagle. It told its chicken, he said, "Oh, look at that magnificent eagle. I wish I was an eagle." And the mother said, "You are not an eagle, you are a chicken." And she's telling this to the eagle. So this little baby eagle grew up thinking that it was a chicken. Now, how many of us are like that? How many of us, and when you see when you're an eagle, but you think you're a chicken, people have put your brain in a cage. Maybe it is your family, maybe it is your friends, maybe it is your teacher who tells you, "No, you are not good," or maybe you are stupid, or you are not capable, or you don't have talent. And when people tell you that, they are putting your brain in a cage, and you are an eagle inside, you are an eagle. But other people are telling you, you are a chicken. So please share this with your children, that we are all diamonds inside. We must keep trying because we are all eagles inside. But many of us live our lives as chickens. Stay well, look after yourself.